What? Hello everybody, welcome back to TJ's Tiny Homestead. I'm Terry, and today I'm going to talk about magic erasers. I buy them by the bulk, and this is what I have left. So I bought a pack of 100 on eBay, and I got them today. Now the good thing about buying them in bulk is the price. I figured it out for us. The 3-count of Mr. Clean at Walmart is $3.50. That comes out to about $1.17 a pad. The Walmart brand 2-count is $1.60. This is according to their online prices. Well, the Walmart brand comes out to 80 cents a pad. If you buy bulk, they're just called Melamine sponges. They're not called magic erasers, but they're the same thing as Mr. Clean and all those other store brand ones. Okay, I paid $15 for 100 of them, and they came out to 7 cents each. Now that is a good savings. And you want to know if they're just as good as the magic eraser ones. Well, here's a dirty sponge. It is filthy. I have been cleaning, and that's one of those. Okay, these are 3/4 of an inch thick. Okay, 3/4. I'm going to show you on my shoe here. I've got some dark spots on my shoe. We're just going to clean that off. They fall apart just like Mr. Clean. But see how clean that's getting? Just like they show on TV with the magic eraser ones. You can clean your white shoes and make them nice and white without polish. Okay? Now the only problem with buying magic erasers in bulk, I'm going to show you, as soon as I find a towel to wipe up my mess, is how you going to store them. Because you aren't going to use 100. It took me about 6 months, 6-7 months to use them. Okay? These come in a plastic bag. They're all plastic up. But once you open this bag up, you're going to have something else to put them in. Because that is a lot of magic erasers just have lying around. So the best thing is do what I did. I got one of the plastic storage container, just a small one with a lid on it, and I stored everything in it. And I just take out like maybe 2 or 3 at a time to use. So that's what I'll do with these. And like I said, these are just as good as Mr. Clean erasers. And just as good as the store brand, because it's made of the same material. They're called, so you can get them on Amazon in a 100-pack or 50-pack. You can get them on eBay in a 100-pack or 50-pack. Just look for Melamine sponges. They're not called magic erasers when you buy them generic bulk like this. Melamine erasers. So give it a try. Buy some. You'll be amazed how much money. I mean, 7 cents a pad is a good savings in my book. So, spice up, give it a try, and let me know what you think in the comments. So, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll have more money saving tips as we go on. So, thank you, and have a good day.